Hello everyone. My name is Mr. Roosevelt and I am a teacher. We are here today to debate over early childhood giftedness.
My name is Hillary Clinton and I am a concerned parent arguing that our gifted students are early bloomers and need to be pushed so they can reach their potential.
I will have to disagree with Mrs. Clinton because not all gifted children will reach their potentials. They do not need to be challenged or need extra help because they will be fine on their own. I am a competent enough teacher to challenge my entire class and they will be fine in regular classrooms. Besides, 61% of teachers, including myself, have no training in identifying or teaching gifted students, which in turn limits their educational opportunities. So it is not my fault that I was not trained properly. Anyway, these so-called gifted students have learning challenges and show bad social behaviors in my class. Other teachers like me feel like these gifted students are acting this way because they get special privileges for being labeled gifted. If anything, they should be taught social skills. These students are immature, lack common interests with other students, and their perfectionism is their refusal to see something new or flexible. Finally, because of the NCLB, I am more concerned with equal instruction and achievement rather than raising the academic bar. I do not want to make the distinction between superiority and inferiority in academic or social domains.
I understand your concerns, Mr. Roosevelt. But you have to understand that gifted students have special needs and you need to be more positive towards gifted education. I may not know all of the effective teaching practices for gifted students, but I do know that need differentiation in their instruction. My daughter is a gifted student at your school. I noticed that my daughter was understanding and linking concepts at a very early stage. In kindergarten she knew that she sneezed around the cat but not away from it, so something about the cat made her sneeze. This was before we discussed what it meant to be allergic to something. Stage acceleration is a gifted that helps my daughter ask very in-depth questions and make connections those in her class are not yet making. My child was recognizing words and creating small sentences months before the children in her playgroup were. This showed me she was learning faster than the other children we were around. As a mom, I made sure to keep her mentally stimulated with the activities and games we had. She also shows a very creative method of play which is common for gifted students. For example, at the playground she wanted to play a game that involved tagging someone then crawling under their legs to unfreeze them as well as hiding before the tagging started. The other children were kind of confused by her game. However, this helps her play well with her older sibling. Most people do not believe that my daughter is as young as she is because she acts and speaks at a higher level than expected. This is because her giftedness makes her mental age higher than her physical. This is good because she can voice her thoughts and needs, which helps me make better choices regarding her. While my daughter reads at a 2-year advanced level, she is struggling some in math. This could be harmful, except I am working with her on her math and she seems to be getting the concepts better than she did before. Besides, differentiation is normal in gifted students. With my daughter, all these things are considered a good thing. She can be a challenge, yes, and I have to remind myself of her age sometimes because even to me she seems more adult-like, but early bloom does not mean she cannot have a childhood or that she will go bad. It means we need to our perspective to fit her needs and abilities into it.